All right, cool. We're on. Woo! Math 8. Who's here? Shout out your name.
Ruben.
Ruben's here. Who else?
Amazing Matt.
Oh, who else?
False-sided.
Oh, that was Henry.
Subscribe to Game
Well,
3720.
Anthony Vargas is here. Michaela's here. Wow, look at that. Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's just do this real quick. All right, so basically the whole object of this activity or homework is you got to find the point of intersection. All right, basically you have to find the two equations. All right, so the whole thing is about just what? Playing with numbers and figuring it out. Okay. Yeah. Find two equations. Find two equations. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with the point of intersection, right? So we want to cross somewhere. So we need to cross somewhere. So we're just going to pick a point. All right, it doesn't matter, which point, but we want to pick something. So let's say we go, let's pick right here, right? And remember, it's a change in y. So the change in y is up to and then 1. Up to 1. Up to 1. Am I going to hit the point? Nope, so I can't do that. What if I go further down and I go to -8? Can I go, let's say, up 1? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Nope. I had to go a little bit higher. So the whole thing is about just picking a point, picking your y-intercept, and I think it's going to work for -7. So if I go up 1, change in y over change of x. Change in y over change of x. Change in y over change of x. Change in y over x. Oh, there it goes. See? You hit it. It's like a little game, right? So that one works out. So there's my equation right here. And then backwards. So let's go ahead and fill this out real quick. Okay, let's go ahead and fill it. There you go. All right, so this one actually works out, right? Because this is my POI. So my equation is, once again, what's your y-intercept? What's your y-intercept? So what is it, Ruben? Do you know what it is? Do you know? Where does it cross the y? -7, yes. There you go. So you write -7. And then you put m is the change in y over the change of x, which you said we were going up 1, right? Up 1 over +1. 1, 1. So it's plus 1x minus 7. There's your equation. Y equals y plus because it's going up. Right? You see that? It's going up. So now all we got to do is find the other one. All right, what's the other one? Okay, so we want it to probably go down if we want. So let's try a point. I don't know, pick a point. So do you want to start with the point of intersection? Yeah, let's go up to the left. 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 Up to the... Oh, yeah, that one hits. Actually, that one actually hits. I just picked numbers. So watch this. Up to the left. Up to the left. Right? Up to the left. Up to the left. Up to the left. And then up to. So that's not 10. What is it? 11. Very good, Henry. And to left. Up to the left. And there's your equation. And then I'm going to do the opposite. Down to the left. Down to the left, down to the right, and there you go. So you don't have to have these equations. There's probably other equations that will work, but for us, yeah. If you're ready, okay, here we go. See? Yeah, who is that? All right, so now let's find the rule. Okay, so now what's your y-intercept? What is it, everybody? It's 11, right? So if you want to use a highlighter, remember I told you guys could use a highlighter for your B. You could use your highlighter for the B. So what's What's your b on this one? So if I zoom down, what's your b? Positive what? 11. And then remember, it's going down, correct? So my m's going to be what? Positive or negative? Negative. So then what is it going? 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2. 2 over 1 is 2. That's it. So there's my two equations. Y equals 1x minus 7. Y equals negative 2x plus 11. And your POI was what? 6, 1, x, y. There you go. Now I asked you, okay, go ahead and plug it in to make sure it's correct. So here we go. Let's just plug it in. Y is what? 1 equals 1 times x minus 7. What's your x? X is your 6. 1 equals, what's 1 times 6? Minus 7. What's 6 minus 7? Please don't say 1. So I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Well, look at my point. This point should have been 6, negative 1, not 1. So this should have been negative 1. So my y should have been negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. And there it's correct. You see, now it balances, so it's on this line. The next one is y equals, what's your y? Negative 1 equals negative 2 times x. What's your x? Plus 11. Negative 1 equals negative 12 plus 11. Negative 1 equals what? Negative 1. And it balances. You see that? So it works. Who cares, baby? I think I wanna move. It's all about mathematics. Yeah, see? It's very simple. See that? Pretty easy, right? That's it. So it's all about just trying it on your own. Okay? So that it works. So there's your point of intersection is right there. That's where it is, right there. Okay? All right, so let's do the next one. All right, the next one. What's your point of intersection? 1, negative 4. So 1, negative 4. So let's create an equation. All right, so let's try this. Okay, so what do you guys want to do? You want to do is, well, right here, look, I could do an easy one right here. 1, 1, 1, 1. I could do that one. You guys see that? That's an easy one right there. Draw the line. Give me my y equals. Go ahead and highlight this. And what's your b? Michaela, what's your b? Can you see it? The highlighted. 5, so negative 5. I'm a negative 5, right? And your m, change in y over change of x. Right? So we're going up 1, right? Up 1. So aren't we going up? So look, we're going up, so it better be positive, right? My m better be positive. So it's going up 1 over what? Over 1. Up 1 over 1. The change in y is going up, and then so it's 1x. So there's my first equation. Right there.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't.
Yeah. All right, you guys got that? So the change in y. So remember, it's going 1 up, and then 1 to the right. That's why it's 1 over 1. So then remember, it's 1, negative 4. It's this one right here. So can I go down? Can I just do a cross one right here? Can I do that? Yeah. So the slope on this one is what? What's the slope going to be, Adrian? The m. Positive or negative? Why negative? Because it's going down from left to right. See that? It's going down from left to right.
So we rushing. I turned off my kick because I don't want to hear no fussing, Cali.
There you go. So there you go. So let's try this one. So what's your y-intercept? Right here. What number is that? Negative 3. 3. 3. So then you do m is the change in y over the change in x. So remember, We're going down, so we know that it's negative, right? So I'm going to put negative. Okay? So now how many is it going down? Well, let's try it. 1 over 1. So it's 1, negative 1 over 1, which is negative 1. Which it should be negative 1x minus 3. There's your second equation. So how do we check it? You plug it in. So y is negative 4 equals 1 times 1 minus 5. Negative 4 equals 1 minus 5. And what's 1 take away 5? Please don't say 4. What is it, everybody? 1 take away 5? Negative 4. And then the next one, what's your y? Negative 4 equals negative 1 times x. What's your x? 1 minus 3. Negative 4 equals, what's negative 1 times 1? Negative 1 minus 3. Well, how do you do that? Well, that's negative 1 plus minus 3, right? Then I do my little baseball technique. And what's my answer? Negative 4. Very good. So does negative 4 equal negative 4? Yeah. And we are done. That's it. All right, everybody, we're done. Everybody say bye. Okay, so now they talk. All right, that's it. Adios. All right, that's it. There's my YouTube video.